Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Now let us find the value of 3 raised to the power of p if 5 raised to the power of p minus 1 equals 15 raised to the power of p minus 2. Now the first thing first, now let us recall that according to the law of indices, when you have a raised to the power of m minus n, okay, this can be undone on the paper to be a raised to the power of m all over a raised to the power of what? N. Okay, now applying this rule to this, now the left hand side and the right hand side becomes 5 raised to the power of p all over 5 raised to the power of what? 1, then equals 15 raised to the power of p all over 15 raised to the power of 2. What to do here now is, now you can see here we have 15 raised to the power of p, and here we have 5 raised to the power of p. Alright, we can do cross multiplication. Now 15p comes over here, and 5 raised to the power of 1 comes over here. Okay, so by doing that, or let's p, which is the smaller one, come over here, and 15 raised to the power of 2 come over here. So we are left with 15 raised to the power of 2 all over 5, then equals 15 raised to the power of p all over 5 raised to the power of what? P. Okay, so this now can be rewritten as 15 times 15, then all over 5, right? Because 15 raised to the power of 2 is 15 times 15. Now by this point here, now since we have a base of 5 here, with there's 15 here can be written as 3 times 5 all raised to the power of what? P, then all over 5 raised to the power of p. Okay, and this is according to the rule of indices, that when you have ab all raised to the power of a common power, now this power can be distributed to the two terms inside. So here we have a raised to the power of n times b raised to the power of what? N, and that is the rule I applied here. So now this can also be written, now 5 here 1, then 5 here 3, right? So this can 15 times 3 then equals 3 raised to the power of p times 5 raised to the power of p, then all over 5 raised to the power of what? P. So at this point now, you can see we have a common term which is 5 raised to the power of p, then we can just eliminate. So we are left with 15 times 3, that will give us 45. You have 45, then equals what? 3p. By rearranging, we can conclude now that 3 raised to the power of p equals 45. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.